Today in video 1, what I'm actually going to teach you is how to turn these core muscles on. This is the most important part. If we can get through this part and you're nice and confident being able to turn your core on, the rest of the exercises are easy and comfortable. Why is your core so important? Your core is so important to help prevent that nasty back pain. It can also help strengthen and tighten up your tummy muscles and help prevent incontinence. So what is your core? Your core is actually your deep, small muscles which attach through your spine and around through your tummy, which helps stabilise our spine. If these muscles do their job, these big global muscles used for movement can actually stay nice and relaxed. If not, these muscles have to work extremely hard and can get tired, tight and start causing your back pain. Now, how do you turn your core on? This is the hardest part. If you can get through this part and you're confident with this part, the rest is actually nice and easy. All I'm going to get you to do, like the graphic next to me shows, is get you in a nice comfortable position with your fingers approximately 2 centimetres in from your hip bones. From here, I'm going to give you 4 different cues to try and turn your core on. Now everyone's a little different. Some might like cue 1, some might like cue 4. Alright, so what you should be feeling under your fingers is a slight bit of tension arise. If you feel it bulge out or push out at you, you've gone a little bit too far. If you don't feel anything, just move your fingers around slightly to a new position, or that core cue might not be the best for you. So let's get started. Now that you're in that nice comfortable position, let's go through those 4 cues. Cue number 1 is to stop yourself urinating. So in that nice comfortable position, all I want you to do is stop yourself urinating and hold that for 5 seconds. So give that one a first go. Excellent. Now let's forget about what you felt through there and move on to cue number 2. Cue number 2, all I'm going to get you to do is draw your belly button to your spine. I don't want you to breathe in a lot, but actually just use those muscles which would actually do that movement. Again, let's go for another 5 seconds. Really, really good. All right, cue number 3. Now this is a tricky one. All I'll get you to do is draw your hip bones together. Now again, those hip bones don't actually move, but use those muscles which would actually do that movement. Give that one a go for 5 seconds. Excellent. Our last one, again in that same position, is going to be fogging up some glass in front of us. So like we're in the bathroom, you've got the mirror in front of us, you're going to be in this comfortable position, and all I'm going to get you to do is take a deep breath in, just like so. So let's give that one a go. Take a deep breath in, just like so. Well done. There are your 4 cues. 90 to 95% of you should have actually felt something arise under your fingers. For those last couple of percent, just keep trying, you'll get there. Now, again, the most important thing during this part is to actually feel that tension under your fingers and not let it push out. If it was pushing your fingers out, just back off 50% and that's how much tension I want to arise. The last part to get this all complete is to control your breathing. Most people, when they start to learn to turn their core on, actually hold their breath. They've got it on, but they keep holding that breath. The last part is just practicing turning your core on, holding for 10 seconds and control your normal breathing. And that's the end of video 1. Excellent job today. As I mentioned earlier, this is the most important bit to get right. How do we get it right? We practice. I tell people in the clinic and during my Pilates classes to start practicing at home. The easiest way to do this is when you're stuck at traffic lights, sit there and practice turning your core on for 10 seconds. Alternatively, you're watching your favourite TV show, the ad breaks have come on, rather than sitting there, just turn your core on and hold it again for 10 seconds. This will lead us on to video 2. So practice, and we'll see you for some more innovative and exciting exercises in video 2.